All right, so we got an old broken lamp here, got it plugged in, and we want to check for voltage between that pin at the bottom and the outer ring here. So you can see we have power here. So the light technically should be working. Well, that didn't turn into much of a repair video. The bottom just needed to be cleaned a little bit, just scratch it a little bit, and now it's working. I'm in it. Never mind. There's something. Ah, the switch has gone bad. All right, yeah. So we are gonna have to repair this thing. So we're gonna have to take this off so we can unscrew this lamp here. This will just rotate out, and hopefully the wire will spin on the bottom here. So yeah, we're gonna need to replace this thing, but I'm gonna take it apart and see if I can fiddle with it a little bit. Okay, so we got it apart. Looks like this little latch should come down and this should swing open, exposing the wire. Well, that came out nice and easy. Look at that. It's just two tiny little pins that are just penetrating the wire insulation there. And then the switch is further up, which it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get that out. We'll see. All right, so we got the new socket connected here. And looks like this piece goes on here. If you enjoyed that tutorial, hit the follow button, smash the subscribe and like button, and leave me a comment below.